Have you ever wondered about the intricate process that transforms raw materials into a functional firearm? What is the journey from a simple metal block to a precision instrument that has shaped much of human history? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of gun manufacturing, a tale that combines art, science, and a good deal of human ingenuity. Our story begins in the distant past, with the first recorded use of firearms in the 13th century. These crude weapons were simple tubes, sealed at one end, and filled with gunpowder. A spark ignited the powder, propelling whatever was in the tube toward the enemy. The principle, while rudimentary, laid the foundation for what was to come. Over the centuries, gun manufacturing evolved into a complex process, involving numerous steps and a variety of materials. The first of these steps is the creation of the gun's backbone, the receiver. This is the part of the gun that houses the operating parts, such as the trigger and hammer. To create the receiver, a block of metal is heated to high temperatures and then shaped using a process called forging. This heating and hammering process gives the receiver its shape and strength. Next, the receiver undergoes a process called milling. This involves removing excess metal to create the final shape and to make space for the operating parts. Precision is crucial during this step, as any mistakes can render the gun unsafe or even unusable. The barrel, the part of the gun through which the bullet travels, is next. It starts as a solid metal rod, which is then drilled to create a hollow center. This process, known as rifling, also creates the spiral grooves inside the barrel that cause the bullet to spin, improving its accuracy. The smaller parts of the gun, such as the trigger and hammer, are typically made separately, often using a process called investment casting. This involves creating a wax model of the part, coating it in a ceramic material, and then heating it until the wax melts, leaving a mold into which molten metal is poured. Once all the parts are ready, they are assembled to create the final product. This involves a series of precise steps, with each part fitting together like pieces of a puzzle. The gun is then tested to ensure it functions properly and safely. Finally, the gun is finished. This can involve a variety of processes, from simple painting to complex chemical treatments, all designed to protect the gun from wear and tear and to give it a pleasing aesthetic. In summary, the process of making a gun is a complex journey from raw materials to a final product. It begins with the forging of the receiver, the heart of the gun. Next, the barrel is drilled and rifled, and the smaller parts are cast. These pieces are then assembled, tested, and finished, resulting in a functional firearm. This journey, from metal block to precision instrument, is a testament to human ingenuity and the art and science of gun manufacturing. It's a process that has evolved over centuries, shaped by necessity, innovation, and the unending quest for accuracy and reliability.